If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To remit sales tax payments to a tax agency if using the Auto Sales Tax feature in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Taxes link in the navigation bar, and then click the Sales Tax link in the side menu that appears to open the Sales Tax page to the right. In the Sales Tax page, you can see the current sales tax due for the selected period for the selected taxing agency. To select a tax agency here, click it to select it, or use the Select an Agency drop-down. To show sales tax information for the selected tax agency for a period, select a period from the Tax Period Date drop-down. The sales taxes due for the selected period or periods then appears below. To show the related return with instructions on how to pay the sales tax, click the Review Sales Tax link at the right end of the desired sales tax period in this list. Then follow the instructions for the sales tax agency to make the payment in real life and then record the payment in QuickBooks. To add a sales tax adjustment in this window, click the Add an Adjustment and/or Prepayment link to open the Add an Adjustment pane at the right side of the window. Select the reason for the sales tax adjustment from the Reason dropdown. Select the date of the adjustment from the Adjustment Date calendar dropdown. Select the account affected by the adjustment from the Account dropdown. Then enter the amount of the adjustment into the Amount field. You can enter a positive or negative amount as needed to reflect if the adjustment increases or decreases the sales tax owed. Then click the Add button in the lower right corner of the pane to add the adjustment. You can repeat this as needed to add any additional adjustments you require to the sales tax payment. To record the sales tax payment, click the Record Payment button to open the Record Payment window. If you haven't already, follow the instructions shown to pay the sales taxes in real life. To then record the payment in QuickBooks Online, ensure the amount shown in the Tax Amount field is correct. Then select the date of the payment from the Payment Date calendar dropdown. Then select from which bank account to make the payment by selecting a bank account from the Bank Account dropdown. To add a memo to the payment, type the memo text into the Memo field. To print a check when you record the payment, check the Print Check checkbox. Then click the Record Payment button to finish and record the sales tax payment. To view the sales tax return information in the future if needed, just click the Review Sales Tax link for the period in the Sales Tax page to reopen it. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.